Alright, hi everybody, this is Jim with YouTube user Jim Lee Elevators, and today we're going to be doing a hotel room tour of the Wyndham Garden Hotel in College Station, Texas. I have to talk over the music so I don't get any copyright. Anyway, we're in room 119. This is the Handicapped hotel room right here. Judging by the doorbell, but I'm not going to press it because it'll ring a loud alarm and I don't want to tamper with it. But anyways, we're going to get a look of the room. So we will take this card. Anyway, this right here is your hotel room. I'm going to get a much better view of it when I close the door. See, this right here is the hotel room. You got a very nice table right here. It looks pretty fresh once you come in. That right there is your air conditioner. You got your remote. And a Samsung flat screen TV. Camera doesn't want to focus on for some reason. Look in the mirror, hi. Oh, I forgot to show this. This right here is your lock. You can lock the door, and as you can see, you open the door, it won't open. And now if you have an extra security, you got a deadbolt right there. So this door won't even move when you open from the outside at all. Like whenever you are sleeping for the night. Also, this right here is a card that you place inside there so you can get electricity. Watch what happens when you remove it. Any second now? Oh, looks like... No, I'm not gonna wait any longer, but anyways, this right here is where you plug in the card so that way you get electricity, but once you remove it, the power will go out in this room. Anyways, there's your map right here. You can barely see out. I can see the fitness center over there, but anyways, I am not going to do a full hotel tour of this thing for time limitation, but anyways, there's your sofa right here. There's your chair in the back, and you can see a view. It's nothing really, not much of a view, honestly, but anyways. You can tell this is definitely a handicap room because look at this. Look at this design right here. This is indeed designated for handicapped people. Anyways, this right here is the room, and I apologize for the, the mess on the beds, but I will pop up a photo right here. See, here is the photo of what the bed usually looks like when we first arrive into the hotel room. You can see that. Pause the video if you want to get an extensive view. So anyways, we had a decent stay here. There's another one of your flat screen TV made by Samsung. In your remote. Hi. You got your clothes hanger, and my camera just lost the focus. Got your drawer. Oh my gosh, the sun is bright. See, look at that sunrise out there. Wow. The only good view that you have inside this room is a sunrise. Look how bright it is. Wow, this is incredible. Anyways, there's your bed right here that my parents slept in. Unlike Andrew, aka Diesel Doocy, I'm not gonna go through details of how clean the beds are or anything. Anyways, there's your lamp. Actually no, oh, it controls the light. Sorry, I thought it controls the lamp. See, there's your light. Oh, here's the switches right there. See? This is for this switch right here, and this is the switch for the other one right here. Anyways, you got your phone right there. I forgot to show it in the other room. There's your bottle my family just left off for housekeeping. And that's just an empty cubby right there. Alright, now we're going to the bathroom part of the mess here. See, this is a handicapped bathroom. Look in the mirror. Hi. Here's your sink. Your towels. Your shower right here. I'm gonna test it really quick, and I'm gonna have to turn it off. See, you turn it clockwise. All right, we're gonna shut it off. You got your curtain right there, and this right here is your commode right here. And I wonder what kind it is. Kohler. Alright, for all you commode fans, here you go. Just how to get a full detailed sound effect of that commode. Anyways, this is a really nice hotel room. This hotel facility was built, I believe, in 2020, I think, but I don't know for sure though. So, anyways, before I go, I forgot to show that. There's another one of the same telephones right there, so. This is definitely indeed a handicapped bathroom, and I also forgot to show one more thing before I end the video. As you can see here, you can definitely tell. You see those handrails right there, and all that. This is indeed a handicapped hotel room, and there right there is, I believe that's a system sensor spectral or advanced L series fire alarm. I don't know what that is, but look up there. That right there, I think that's a Edwards MIDI horn doorbell alarm, which is why I showed that button in the beginning of this video. See, it makes a loud beeper sound, which is mainly for people who are deaf. So, anyways, that's going to conclude the room tour. Thank you all so much for watching, and here are the photos of the fitness center, pool, and the hotel lobby itself and others. Thanks for watching, and that'll be it.